It's that time of year again when everyone's posting their Spotify Wrapped videos. If you use Apple Music though, like myself, then you know we don't really have the same features that they do. But Apple does have a similar option called Replay. In the past, it was a top played songs playlist that updated every week. But this year, 2022, along with that, Apple has introduced a new Apple Music Replay 22, A Year in Music. It's done on a website though, but you can get to it through the Apple Music app. I'll show you first where we see the weekly replay option. With the Apple Music app open, make sure that you're on the Listen Now tab. Once you are, scroll all the way to the bottom where you'll then see Replay, your top songs by year. You can then scroll through this section for all the years that you've used Apple Music. Select one and you'll be given an updated weekly playlist of your most played music. But we now have another option that has more features than this and is more like Spotify Wrapped. Head back to the Listen Now page and then scroll up until you see the Apple Music Replay 22 button. If you don't see it right away, you can also find it all the way back to the top and then scrolling through the top picks section. When you select it, it'll open your web browser and head to the website replay.music.apple.com. Once you're on the website, hit Get Started and then log in or confirm your Apple ID. Once you're signed in, hit Continue. Once you're signed in and you're on the Music That Defined Your Year page, hit Play Your Highlight Reel. You'll then get a Highlight Reel Stories type video that shows you your year in review on Apple Music. You'll see how much you've listened to, what artists you've listened to, and your top songs. You'll then get your top artist, top albums, and more. After you view your highlight reel back on the replay page, you'll get a scrollable list of all the data along with your top 5 and top 10. Finally, you can save any of these pieces of your highlight reel or the scrollable list by heading to the part that you want to save and then hitting the share button at the bottom. Here you can then either save the image to your phone or directly share it to Instagram or Facebook or other apps that you use. And that's how you find your Apple Music Replay 2022.